आप बता देना जब स्टार्ट हो जाए तो मैं कंटिन्यू कर दूंगा.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are.
I have start the recording.
Okay. Just let me once when it is started.
Yeah, recording is started already.
Okay, okay, okay. So very warm welcome to the session, guys. So today we have a group planning exercise. So this is the second basic task of the GTO series, where the candidates have shown a problem on a given model, where write down their where candidate write down their individual solution on a sheet of a paper and discuss to reach on a common problem, so common solution, sorry. So I will share the picture with you, which a model with you, and I will read the story for you guys, and then I will share the story. You have to read it for 5 minutes. After that, 10 minutes were given to write the story on a paper, and then individual narration will be happen, and after that we will discuss among us to reach to a common solution. I hope all of us have understood.
I want to add one point. Individual narration is not there in GP.
Like individual solution is shared, na.
No, no. Basically, what we are doing, individual narration is not happening in the GP.
All
Just
right, sorry.
let's start
So,
with the group discussion.
yeah, yeah, sorry, sorry, I forgot about
We
that.
can
So
share our stories to our groups. We
like
can
yeah,
do that.
yeah, 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 understood. Like we write the individual solution and then discuss. All right, I'm sorry about that. So
Yes.
I will share the problem first. Is it visible? अभिनव भाई आपकी आवाज़ बहुत स्लो आ रही है.
It is visible.
Okay, okay. So let me read the problem. As you can see in this picture, there is a road, a metal road. We also have a kacha road, a culvert, a school. The road has two sides. One is going towards Maleshwar and second is towards Malana. Uh, and we have also a Mohi firing range, a coast guard area, and an island. So the story goes like, you are a group of army personals. Am I audible now, guys?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Okay, so the story is, you are a group of army personals going for shooting practice from your camp at Maleshwar to Mohi firing range in a 310. When you reached the road junction, where the Kacha and metallic road were meeting, when you reached the road junction, a few villagers with an injured person in a bullock cart stopped you and asked for help. The man who had been attacked by a shark told you the incident. I had been to the lighthouse island for fishing, and I overheard two smugglers discussing that a consignment of drugs was to reach the island in a helicopter at 11 hours today. To divert the attention of the coastal guard, they were planning to explode a bomb at the village school at 11:30 hours, where the coastal guard commander would be inaugurating the school's annual function. When they found out that I was listening, they tried to attack me, and I jumped into the sea and swam towards the shore. Unfortunately, a shark attacked me. At the time, the NCO in charge tells you that he had forgotten to bring the targets for firing. The villagers further informed you that the culvert had collapsed after they had passed through. Now time is 9:30. As a group of brave young men, what will you do?
I want to ask one question. The culvert here is type of bridge only, no?
Yeah, 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 it is a wooden bridge.
Okay, okay.
Also, I want to know something. Is there mobile connectivity?
Abhinav, can you please repeat? Your voice is too slow.
Okay. So is there mobile connectivity is available?
Yes, mobile connectivity is available. Like it is a Pakka road. It is there is nothing mentioned like that mobile connectivity is available or not. It is nothing like that is mentioned in the story.
Okay. So we can assume it later.
Yes, yes, yes. So I have shared it in the group. Everyone, please read the story. You have 5 minutes, and six at 6:21, your time will be started for your individual solutions to write on a sheet of paper. After that, we will discuss the common solution. All right, guys, stop reading the story. Your 10 minutes to write the individual solution has started. Uh, you have 10 minutes to write your individual solution for the given problem.
There are total 10 numbers of people in a group, or randomly. We are calculating as a randomly.
No, we can decide it. So it will be matching for all of us.
10, I think 10 will be okay.
I think we can go with 8
Okay
because
then, 8.
10.
Guys, this is not a
Okay.
discussion time. We will discuss it later. Whatever is mentioned in the story, you have that knowledge. But enough. We will discuss it in the discussion. Oh, how many people were there or what? All right, guys, stop writing. Time is up. I hope everyone or if you have written the solution. So now discussion will occur where we have to discuss among ourselves to reach on a common solution. I also request every one of you to please turn on the video while discussing so that session can be more interactive. All right, so we will start our discussion in 1 minute.
Aryan, I am audible.
Yes, yes, Abhinay, you are audible. All right, so let's start discussion.
So, gentlemen, after
Okay, gentlemen. First we can decide the number of strength we should take. I think we should take the eight 18 numbers. So what we'll do, we'll gonna we'll gonna take the injured villager, as well as we can send the NCO in charge and
Uh,
two
sorry
of
to
our personnel to the
I think we should
two
first
Let
of our
us
discuss.
first
personnel
calculate
to
all the priorities.
the
Let us put
yes,
according the
agreeing
priorities list wise.
agreeing with Anis. Let's first discuss how many candidates were there as a group. I think 15 to 18 people were there in a group of army personnel. So the first priority will be the saving the injured man, like providing the self aid, first aid to the injured person. Second priority will be fixing the culvert so that we can reach to the coastal area and also the village, because the culvert is the main part for our journey. So we will divide our group into three parts. First, we will take the help of villagers so that they can help us among the path. And one of two of our personals will go with the injured man to the nearby hospital to providing the medicine, and one group of
Aryan,
two
but
persons go to the
as a soldiers are going to the firing party, that's why they will be having a medical kit so they can provide the medical
they can
means
provide the
at the
first
road
aid.
junction.
They can provide
Only
the
two
first aid,
people.
but
Yes,
after that
Let's
they have to bring him hospital.
first of
they
all
have to bring. Yes, that's
recollect the resources which are available with us.
Yes,
I
so
think
we
the resources there are eight number of personnels are enough to carry out this operation.
yes,
yes,
yes. They are
Another
enough.
thing is there is also army vehicle which is carrying eight personnel to the firing range. So and we also carry some arms and ammunition with us. And
we have arms, like we are going for a
And
practice
as
of
the soldiers have met
and
on the Pakka road, that's why we can say that there can be a vehicle to bring
there
that
can be
injured
more
person to
vehicles,
the
and
hospital. More
also
vehicles.
we have
adding to the
villagers,
point.
like we have
I want
local
to say,
peoples also for our resources, and also we have a bullock cart available which
Yes.
villagers use to bring the injured person.
yes, also
adding
we
to the
have
point,
some
I want to say,
hospitals.
Yeah.
rather than the fixing the culprit, we can just leave it there because it will take some time and we are having less time. So we can just send the distance is around 6 to 8 kilometers. So we can just send the our soldiers as well as the villagers by walking. So it will take
Yes.
around 30 to 45 minutes, and they will reach there, and they will inform the commander about the situation and the blast happening there. So we can evacuate the children from there as well as the people, and they will inform, and the commander will inform his unit that smugglers are going to do
Agreeing
some
with Ayush, adding
Ayush,
one more
but
point, like
Ayush,
we
I
have to
want to
fix
add
the culvert
something
first,
that
as
as the
culvert has been collapsed by the bullock cart. So first we have to fix the culvert. After that we can
but
reach there. So
Aryan, I want to add
will
that
go
as
on.
the culvert is made up of a wooden, so there can be a problem on walking with a wooden, walking
Like
on the wooden place.
we will
no,
take the help of
they are
villagers
actually
to
the
arrange
army
a
personnel,
wooden.
so they can walk anywhere, no?
Yes, they can walk anywhere, and I think that drugs delivery is going to be done at 11 o'clock, and bomb blast is going to take place at 11:30, and we are at 9:30. So
So
we
like
can first inform to the Coast Guard that at 11 o'clock, sharp 11 o'clock, they are going to deal with the drug, and then we can inform to
But
the school principal.
but
but
first we have
actually
to
it's
fix
not
the culvert, like
we are not getting their we are not having their information about the contact details about the coast guard units. So it means we can reach to the commander, and it will be the more feasible way for stopping the drug smuggling.
So let's
I
go to the
think
priority wise, like Abhinav has said. So first we will provide the first aid to the injured person. Then our whole group will be moved towards to fix the culvert, and then we
Correct.
will be divided into two separate parts. One will move towards the coastal guard area, and second will move towards the school where the annual function was going to happen. So that our second group inform the coastal guard commander about the bomb explosion, so that children can be evacuated safely. And if you all agree, let's discuss the timings and everything now.
so the
And
total
last priority, we can send two soldiers with our own vehicles to bring those firing
Target
targets.
also. We have to bring target also, so that we can practice at Mohi firing range. So we will send two
So
personnel.
let us discuss about the time and distance. If we talk about our first priority,
Let
which we have
Abhinav
to
speak
shift it
first.
the injured. Yes, sir.
Let
Okay,
Abhinav
so I
speak.
think
He wants
first
to.
of all we have to divide our teams. So I think we have a eight number of personals in which there is a three team formed. Team one carries two personals, team two carries also two personals, and team three carries four personal. And there is a 930 hours at the junction where injured person come to us, and we while taking the lift from the or vehicle from the highway. Uh, our team one, which carries the two personals, goes with him, providing first of all first aid to him, and then carries to the city hospital, which is closest to the, I think, Maleshwar hospital.
Malana.
Maleshwar, 30 kilometers, about 30 kilometers.
Maleshwar is
About
But
20.
20
we will take it
kilometers.
to the Malana. Like Malana is 20
Okay,
kilometers
20
from the junction,
kilometers.
so
If
we will
we
go to
go
the
Malana
Malana.
by a car, if we go Malana by a car, it will take around 15 to 18 minutes, I think.
No,
With the
we can just head our truck to the Malana. So there we can what do? We can we can bring back that firing statues also, as well as we can send the injured villager.
So I
Agreeing
think
yes,
with
I agree with
every one
Ayush
of
there.
you.
Agreeing
So,
with him.
like Abhinav has said, we will divide our team into three parts: two, two, and a four. So, two will move towards the Maleshwar, and they will bring the injured person with themselves only, so that they can reach the place where they have to take the targets, and also admit the injured person to the hospital.
so. I think
Now
that
let's talk
now
about the second priority.
second priority. I think there is a bomb threat to the school. So first of all, team two
Yes.
and team three will goes close to the culvert. They repair it, and I think it will take around 1 hour. So it will be
With the
1030.
help of villagers, if we take the
The
help
help
of
of
Yeah,
villagers,
we
it
villagers,
are
will
we are
take
like
also
we have
having
villagers
some
45
also
to
villagers as
50.
assisting.
well, so we can also take their help also. Yeah.
Yes, villagers.
So I think there
So
should be
like it will take 40 to 45 minutes
40 to 45 minutes it will take
to
repair the
repair
culvert.
the culvert, and it will around happen like 10-15 hours we will repair the culvert, and till
after that.
10:30
I think team
till
two
10.
will go to the school. They inform the school authorities and the security personnel which are arriving there for the inauguration, and
Come on.
also tells the commander about the situation. And the other team, team three, will go to the that island portion, because we are of army personnel. We carry some arms and ammunition, so we directly
Yes,
can
Yes.
confront that two
so
personal
we can
smugglers.
go go to the like island, and with their coastal guards are already available there. So with the help of coastal guards we can catch those two drug dealers to stop the drug deal, and also if we catch both of them, we can also stop the bomb explosion at the school,
So I
so
Now
think
let
that
us
there will
discuss
not
about the time
be.
and distance for the second priority. As we see that there is a kacha road, so we can't use any vehicles over there. So how much time will it take to reach the school?
No, actually, we are not having any vehicle also, no. So we have to go
Yes,
it
that's
by walking only.
We
buy
have
on
to
food,
go,
or if
like
we
we are army personnel, so we can like take around 15 minutes to go the places, like one group to the school and one group to the coastal guard. Both of them will reach around in the time of 15 minutes. Like army personnel have a practice for
can
that.
run, yes, I can. Okay, exactly. They
Yes,
can run
so
on their food.
like till 10:15 we will be crossing the culvert, and till 10:30 we will be able to inform the coastal guard manager, coastal guard commissioner, that there is a bomb explosion so that we can evacuate. And till 10:30 we are also be able to go to the coastal guard area to inform them about the drug deal.
I think I should add
And
one
Yes.
more point in this. See, bomb threat I think is gonna happen at 11:30 hours. So
yes,
while going to school, telling them we should go to directly our two teams, send our team to team two and team three to the coast guards and inform them about all the case. And with the help of them, we should directly go to the island. So before the 1100 hours, before the delivery of the drugs and as well as the planning of the bomb threat, we can easily nab them.
I
like
agree with
law
Abhinav
enforcement.
that as the Indian Coast Guard is present, so they can contact with the commander and they can say all
Like
the
adding one
situation
more
is going
point,
No,
there.
like
but the point is the bomb blast will gonna have in the 11:30. So we have to evacuate the
yes,
people as well
like
the children.
adding,
So it will take some time around, we can say around half an hour it
like
should take. So we can
we have
just
to divide our team into two parts. Like it is necessary to go to the school also. Like we they are planning for the bomb explosion, so they must have a plan for that. So there is a need to evacuate the students also. We can't take any risk. So for a safe side, we will send our two personals to the school so that no students can be harmed.
Okay,
yes, yes, I totally
agree.
agree with you.
Totally agree.
Yeah, I totally agree. Sure.
So till 10:45 we will able to inform every one of them. And as coastal guards were expert in that area, so they will be able to catch in around 15 minutes before 11 hours. They will able to catch those drug dealers also. And till 11 hours we will evacuate the school also. So at 11 hours our work will be finished.
And
And by
rather
11:15 we can meet at firing point range.
The junction again,
11:15 or 11:30.
like
rather than we are going to the island, we can go to the coastal guard center, so we can inform them, and with the help of the vehicle we can go to the island, because we are actually the two in numbers. So it's not
yes,
it's
yes,
not very
we
easy
will
for
go
us
to the
to
coastal guard
defend the
center
situation.
only. We will go to the coastal guard center only because we don't have a boat to move to the island. The boat has a permission only for the coastal guard, so we have to move towards the coastal guard center first to get the help from them to catch those drug dealers.
So I think we will contact the
We should
flying branch
conclude.
of the coastal guard to catch the helicopter which is going to throw the consignment of drugs.
Yes, like we will like 10:15 we will reach there. So if we inform them, they will be able to take every one of us like around 10:30 to 10:35. We will reach to the island.
Okay, so guys, I think we all
Let
had
us
covered
conclude the story. Yes.
almost all the points have been covered, so we can nominate one of us to tell the final solution. I think the Abhinav should be the one to tell
Abhinav should be the one.
the
Okay,
final
I also
solution,
nominate
because we
Abhinav.
had given the most of the points as well as summarizing it.
Thank you, gentlemen. So I'm going to conclude. Uh,
Abhinav, can you be somewhat louder?
uh, Now I am audible.
Yes.
Okay, okay, now.
Yes, yes, Abhinav. You are audible.
Okay. So, gentlemen, first of all, we have to recollect our resources. So, as we are already being discussed that we are eight number of personals, which will be divided into three teams. Team one, two personal. Team two, two personal, and team three will be four personals. And also we have army vehicle and arms and ammunition, first aid, and other miscellaneous materials for repairing that culvert. So first of all, at the junction around 9:30, we will take some lift or we will send our army vehicle with the injured person with the team one to admit that person injured person into the hospital. And while admitting, our team one will also take our that shooting materials with us after returning back from the hospital and from the that military area. And From that, team 2 and team 3 will reach the culvert with the help of villagers. They will try to fix it, and around it will take only 40 to 45 minutes, and it will now time will be uh, 10 15 hours. And after that, team 2 will go to the school. They inform the school authorities, the security forces, and whatever there is a commander who is going to inaugurate something, and informing them, they will evacuate the students and the other staffs also. And simultaneously, team 3 will go to the coastal guard area, and after on the taking the with the help of that coastal guard, they will get into that ship of the coastal guards, go to the island, and catch that two smugglers which is situating there. And while meeting with the coastal guards, they will also inform the flying branch of the coastal guard and the helicopter. So all this thing will gonna sum up at around uh, 10:45 hours, and after that they will meet at the junction, and they will go for the firing range. Thank you.
Okay,
All
you
right.
can start. You can end the recording.
Okay, okay, yeah. And the recording.